Hi, I'm Philip, and Ninja reached out to me to show you how easy it is to achieve perfect doneness in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Air Oven using the Smart Cook system. I normally only cook prime rib for special occasions, but there's nothing worse than dropping money on these expensive cuts of meat only to end up with tough, chewy results. With my Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Air Oven, I can now cook to my preferred doneness without worrying about ruining my meal. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Air Oven has an integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer and a Smart Cook system which helps take the guesswork out of cooking to your desired doneness. So I can cook my proteins rare to well done with the touch of a button. Plus, there's even cooking all around and no rotating required. To show you how to use the Smart Thermometer, let's cook some prime rib. Start by plugging the thermometer into the jack. Push firmly on the plug until you hear an audible click, which means it's securely connected. Then select your desired cook function. Today we'll be using the whole roast function, which is best used when cooking large proteins, like a whole chicken, pork loin, or in this case, a prime rib. Another really cool thing about this oven is that when I select my function, it tells me what rack level I should be using. Here it's showing rack 1 for my whole roast. The rack level numbers are marked inside the oven. So I'm going to remove the top rack and make sure that the bottom rack is on level 1. There are two options for using your Smart Thermometer. Manual allows you to select a very specific internal target temperature for your protein. Preset has pre-programmed optimal temperatures based on the type of protein you're cooking. In this case, I know I want my prime rib cooked medium rare, so I'm going to use the preset function. Press the preset button and use the function plus minus buttons to select your desired food type and the temp plus minus button to select the internal doneness of your food, rare through well. Note that there's no need to set a cook time, as the unit will automatically turn off the heating elements and alert you when your food is finished cooking. Then, insert the roast tray into the sheet pan and place the pre-marinated prime rib on top. Then, press the start-stop to begin preheating. While the unit preheats, insert the thermometer horizontally into the center of the thickest part of the piece of prime rib. In order for the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Air Oven to read the temperature correctly, make sure you insert the thermometer into the center of the thickest part of the meat. Ensure the tip of the thermometer is inserted straight into the center of the meat, not angled towards the bottom or the top of it. If there is a bone in the protein, make sure that the thermometer is close to, but not touching the bone, and away from any fat. All of this information on the correct usage of the thermometer can be found in the Quick Start Guide supplied with your oven. When the oven has preheated and beeps, open the door and place the prime rib with inserted thermometer on rack level 1. Close the door over the thermometer cord. The display will show the current thermometer temperature and the target temperature. If you want to check the time of how long your food has been cooking and what the temperature of the oven is set to, press the preset or manual button. Cooking will automatically stop when the thermometer temperature has reached the target. When the oven beeps and the display shows cook end, it's time to eat. Watch out, as the thermometer will be hot. Use either oven mitts or tongs to take the thermometer out of the meat. Wow, this looks delicious. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Air Oven, I have a perfectly cooked prime rib. Check out ninjakitchen.com or the Ninja Foodi Family Facebook community for delicious recipe ideas and more.